If you're experiencing login issues with Ally Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any corrupted files. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not be compatible with Ally Bank's website. Check for updates and install the latest version of your browser, then attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, contact Ally Bank's customer support. They can provide further assistance and help resolve any account-specific issues you may be facing. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your login issues with Ally Bank. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help.